Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Logger channel, and it's around 20 days now that I have not posted a video, so I'm extremely sorry. Again got stuck up with my academic business stuff and all that stuff. You can understand. After all, we pharmacists are not free kind of people, a lot to study, and some other things also had come up. So I am probably going to do a tour vlog soon, so I cannot promise you that. Now last time I had promised you to regarding the getting a new vehicle and all that stuff, but this time it's not possible, and roaming around also is quite difficult this year. So I thought I'll just do a video on the bookshelf which I have. The thing is, I have around 88 to 90 books right now. Still I have to get more. So during the lockdown time I had increased my reading skills, so it's not so good, but I feel it's somewhat okay. So right now I will show you all my books which I have and which and all I got during the lockdown. So friends, you can see right over here, these are all the books which I have. Sorry about this, these are not books, they are albums, so I'll keep them aside. So these are all the books. In this I will tell you now which all I got it during the lockdown, and which are very old. So the list of all the books I have maintained it in this particular diary of mine. So this helps me to check which and all books I have with me. So you can see pages are all empty. So the last book entry which I did was book number 86, that is Relationship and Emotion by Sadhguru. So that section of books I'll show you, and you can see over here these are all the Amazon bookmarks which I got after ordering in Amazon. So I usually order in Amazon is one of my favorite ways of ordering stuff. So let's come up with what and all I have here. So this is one of my favorite books which I have from a long time, that is Mr. Devdutt Patnaik's Jaya, of his version of Mahabharat, you can say. So Dr. Devdutt Patnaik, actually Devdutt Patnaik, not doctor, sorry. I really like his book. So you can see, so today is Republic Day, so I wish you all a happy Republic Day. So I'll keep it aside, this symbolizes my nationality. So these are all Devdutt Patnaik books which I have to get more, but for the time being I have only these many. So this is Ramayana versus Mahabharat. Then there is Vishnu. This is 4 years old. I got it when it was just launched. Then this is Secrets of Shiva, and then Secrets of the Goddess. So these all books are very old. You can just look at the quality. Whereas the Jaya book I got it recently. Now coming up next to another favorite author of mine, that is Anand Neelakantan. So this particular guy did a miraculous work by writing a book on Bahubali actually. So this is the book 1 and this is the book 2. Book 3 I have to get, it just launched I guess 3 months back in November. So book 3 I have to get. So this is Rise of Shivagami. So in this book a lot of information regarding how Shivagami rose to power was given, and in this book how the king, that is Mahadev Bahubali, the father of Bittal Dev and Amarendra Bahubali, not Amarendra, Amarendra Bahubali. So these are all regarding those stuff. I'm exhausted actually. Yesterday I had a small tour. So this is Asura. This book is also by Anand Neelakantan. So this book was given to me by my cousin brother. So I really like this book also. So this is about Ravana, and I didn't complete this book, sorry to say. Then I have this R.K. Lakshman book. So this is a very funny book actually, full of comics and other stuff. So as we all know, R.K. Lakshman is one of the famous authors and cartoonist of during his time actually. So common man was one of his identities. So this book is a complete good stuff. Goosebumps, this is very old. You can just look at the cover and the content inside. It's a very old book, so I'm not a Goosebumps fan, so I'll keep it aside. Nothing much to say because I didn't read the book. Then the rudest book ever. I like this book very much. This book was one of Bill Gates recommendations. So this book is a complete brilliancy, and I got it just 2 weeks back. So you can see it's like new. Sorry for the disturbances. My dog is barking inside the house. So next we have Her Last Wish. So this is another marvelous book. The book MRP states 175 rupees. Guess how much I got this for? I got it for 70 rupees. I didn't read that book also. Next book, Eat That Frog. I had recently read this book. This author, Brian Tracy, is one of the marvelous authors I have ever met. Not met, sorry. I have ever gone through. But not only that, apart from this book, another economic-wise book I have over here. So where is it? Yeah, this book which my dad got it last week for me. So The Rich Dad and the Poor Dad. This is another book similar to that, fully business related, and related stuff is there. So that's my helmet actually, and this is the all the study materials which I go through. This is the helmet area. Then these are the diary areas. Then at the back there is books on gods, and in the topper end I have my small car collection and car magazines also. Then newspaper articles are also there. So coming up to what books are remaining here, so this I have to arrange later. So these two books by Ashwini Singhi. So this is nearly 8 years old, belongs to my cousin itself. These two books, Chanakya's Chant and the Krishna Key, very good books. I have to get more books on him. Then this is one of my most favorite books actually, by Aaron Rahman. So a very interesting book about very like criminal mentality, you can say, how one inspector found out like how your series comes, like The Family Man. The story somewhat matches like that. So next we have the Amish Chandra's trilogies, both Ram series and Shiva series, 3 plus 3, so 6. This book, Ravana, I have not read it, and I got it for an offer of ₹100 rupees, but you can see the condition of the book is not good, and I didn't read it also. Whereas the other books which you can see all over here, they're all old, and some of the books I had borrowed it from some of my relatives actually. Then Bhagavad Gita is there, volume 1 and volume 2. I have read it completely. Apart from that, Gulliver's Travels, this also I have read it during my school days. You can see how old the book is. Next, Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore. This is a small version of Gitanjali, very difficult to read. I have not gone through properly. Apart from that, I have Vinich Bajpayee's trilogy, The Harappa, and down we have the influential books. In this one book I had gifted it to one of my school friends. Then coming up to James Patterson's, this book was second hand, so I didn't read it yet. I have to read it. Moby Dick, this is a very good book. It's about whales and how you catch them and all that stuff, and other stories are also there. Actually, I didn't read that book properly, so I may not be telling the right story to some of you who have gone through these books. Then the crime comics, this is a book gifted to me by my cousin actually, so full of comics is there, very old, around 10 years old book, so I'll keep it back there. Then these are all Preeti Shanai's books, so these all are very good books and very cheap books. The Fault in Our Stars, you know about this book probably, there's a movie on this also. Then Why We Love the Way We Do, so this is also by Preeti Shanai, so another marvelous book. Then Sylvia Browne's End of Days, this is about her predictions. In this book there's some end statement about corona that it would happen in 2020, and it happened. Then Sherlock Holmes book, I got it for 70-80 rupees, I guess, this fat book, can you believe it? Then obviously my favorite author, Kevin Mitchell. I have 6 books of Kevin Mitchell, the 3 Kalki trilogies, that is Satya Yodha, then Mahayodha, and Dharma Yodha. So it comes like this actually, not like not the the vice versa. So then Ravanput Meghnad is very good. Then Narsimha is very good. Then Hiranyakashyap is also good. Hiranyakashyap is a book which I have not read, whereas 5 books I have read. Then coming to Chetan Bhagat, so I have only 4 books on Chetan Bhagat: Half Girlfriend, Two States, 5 Point Someone, and What Young India Wants. I just ordered the new book, that is Arranged Marriage, I guess. So that will be coming up soon. So on that I'll do a review. Don't worry. Then these all are my cousin's books. Apart from this book I got it in an offer, so I bought it. This book also is mine, the Scholastic Yearbook of 2013. You can understand how old it is. Whereas these all books I have not read still. There are a lot of books which I have not read. Then coming up to the Sadhguru edition, so these are all Sadhguru's books: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 books are there from here till here. You might been come across, and these are books on Bhagwan Nityananda, who we believe in. Then there are books on cricket players. I love cricket, so Sachin Tendulkar, 2 books. Then one Virat Kohli book I have. Remaining 5 books are on MSD, that is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Then coming up, this is general knowledge area, so you can find yearbooks, Limca yearbooks, 1992, 2019, 1995. Then Tell Me Why books are also there. Tell Me Why, Where, and When. Then Oxford textbook is there. Then Mammals book is there. Then illustration of Harry Potter, this book is there. I'm gonna probably order the other 3 illustration books. So total I'll do a review video on that. Those are my college days books which are still hanging there, so I'll keep it there itself. Then ICC World Cup 2011 limited edition book, that is also hanging out there. Then coming to the down part, that is books on Narendra Modi. So I have 3 books on Narendra Modi, 2 on Abdul Kalam, and 4 books on Narendra Modi actually. Then obviously an auto car fan. I do videos on cars, as you all know. So this is another marvelous book which I always read and go through. So these are all the books in my bookshelf tour, and you can see how I arranged them. So I have to keep these things back. So friends, I guess I will be coming up with some other videos soon. Recently I have not done videos on cars and vehicles, so I'm extremely sorry for that, but I will try my best to come up with a very good video soon. So until next time, so be in touch. Please like, share, and subscribe my videos, and more videos will be piling up in the YouTube channel. I have already crossed the 100 mark, so be with me.